Monica here. Today we are doing an unboxing with Supernova. I'm so excited. What do we have in here? Ta-da! Wow, a ruler! I'm so excited because I really need help measuring. So, yep, I love it. Cool, an activity book. Whoa, lots of pictures. Do you want to see this? Mimi's life on Mars. So exciting. Supernova. Ooh, isn't that your name? Okay. Oh, it's a magazine. Thank you so much. What is this supposed to do with Mimi's life on Mars? Oh, it's a letter from Mimi's life on Mars. Oh.
How is this supposed to open? Oh. Oh, we got a bunch of books. Wish you were here at Mimi's Life on Mars. I do wish I was there. And it has some writing, and I will enjoy this. Now, and also we got a ruler. Oh, orange. I love the color orange. It says you, and I do you. Then we got Supernova, the mag for curious kids. Flamingos. Ooh, we got some facts. I love facts books. And look at this dinosaur. This is so amazing. This dude looks angry, but we'll see how he feels. We got highlights, hidden pictures, puzzles. Let's see. Oh, it's a coloring book. So basically, you just color in the pencil in one color, then you find it somewhere and then color it. And we do this with brain drain. This is so amazing. Thank you. Then Mimi's Life on Mars by Maya Lemaitre. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong. I'm guessing this is Mimi, and I love this cover. This looks so amazing. Look at this. Look at that little rocket. Look at Mimi. I'm speeding towards an unknown future on a distant world. Mars, the fire star, the red planet. This is making me, my eyes are wide open. Ooh, got these, look at the pictures, they're so beautiful. Everything. I love this